Hello friends, I'm Guna Madhivanan, Current Affairs Faculty at Offices IAS Academy. So in this Current Affairs Hitlist video series, today we will be seeing the 13th topic, that is about credit rating. What is this credit rating? Right? Very simple topic, but many students, they don't have a proper clarity on this topic. Friends, let us assume L&T is coming up with a bond. Okay, debt instrument, you all know about bond. Let's say this bond is worth 100 crores. This bond says it will guarantee 10% interest, 10-year repayment period, 10 year. Like L&T, let us assume that Guna is having a factory. Okay, Guna Technology Solutions. Guna Technology Solutions, GTS, new IT company, they are also issuing a bond. Okay, so this bond is again worth 100 crores, 11% interest, 10-year tenure. Now tell me which one you will subscribe. Now you are the investor, you have 100 crores, imagine. In which bond you will buy, L&T or GTS? Honestly you say, you will definitely choose L&T, though it is only 10%, GTS gives 11%, still you go for L&T because GTS, new company, you have no idea about this GTS, but L&T has won your confidence. Credibility factor is there. So you go and invest in L&T, right? But however, let me give you another example, like Guna Technology Solution, JTS, John Technology Solution. Okay, now they are also issuing a bond. This bond is worth 100 crores, 11% interest, 10-year tenure. Now, between these two, in which you will invest? You don't know because you have no idea about these two companies. So, here where the credit rating companies play a role. There are many credit rating companies in country. What they will do, they will come and they will rate these bonds. They will give a rating. Let us say, they say for Guna it is going to be A plus rating. For John Technology Solution it is going to be B plus rating. Assume A is much greater. So now by seeing, okay, CRISIL is one rating agency, they are saying Guna's bond is A plus, John's bond is B plus. Now you see, okay, CRISIL, very big rating agency, they are giving higher rating for Guna's Technology Solution bond, so we will go and invest in this bond. So what is this rating? This rating will give you, the credibility factor. The rating will give you the credibility factor. Basically, the rating will tell the ability of the company to meet the principal and interest payments on their debts. Higher the ratings means more certainly this company will repay your money with the interest. Lesser, let us say B plus, let us say C plus or C minus, very poor rating. That means this company, their ability to give back your money with the principal and interest is less. A plus, no, A plus plus, assume. GTS A plus plus. That means the GTS company, their ability to repay your money, that is very, very high. So when a company has higher rating, when a company's bonds are having higher rating, then investors will go and invest in that bond. So among three companies, let us say JTS, RTS, GTS. If GTS company, all are coming up with a bond. So it is GTS, A plus, RTS, it is A minus, JTS, it is B plus. Among the three, GTS bond is having higher rating, so all the investors, they will invest in this bond. This is the role of this rating agency. The rating agency will give this rating based by looking into the capacity of the company, the ability of the company to repay the borrowed money along with the interest, to repay the borrowed money along with the interest. That is how the rating agencies will calculate. They take into account of various factors: company's performance, company's outstanding debt, company's profitability. They take into consideration of various factors and they will be giving the rating. Sir, okay sir, then what is this credit score we often see in news or advertisements? Credit score. See, the score is given for individuals. Now let us say, now Guna is going to ICICI Bank, right? For what purpose? To get some loan. Guna goes to ICICI for what purpose? To get some loan. Now ICICI, they will think, right, whether we can give loan to Guna or not, whether Guna can repay or not. So for this purpose, now what Guna can do? Guna can approach the companies which will give credit score. Okay, that's company CIBIL. Guna approaches CIBIL and CIBIL will study Guna's performance. CIBIL will study Guna's bank account, IT returns, some parameters they have, they check and they will give a score. Okay, score is 850 out of 1100, something like that. They give some score. Now Guna is checking the score to ICICI. I say, sir, CIBIL has given me a score of 850. ICICI, oh, 850, very good score. Okay, I will give you loan. So whenever we use the term score, then that refers to the individual. Whenever I say the term rating, credit rating, that normally that refers to the company. To assess the individual's capacity, we have different rating companies. To assess the company's capacity, we have different kind of rating companies. Now what is the issue? So this rating is very, very important for the investors. I am an investor, I have thousands of crores. I want to put money, right? I want to put money in which portfolio, in which company I will put money? By looking into the rating. Which company has higher rating, in that company I will put money. So for investor, this rating becomes very important. But what are the issues, friends? What are the issues in this credit rating? It is issuer pay model. It is following issuer pay model. That means, friends, now I said for Guna Technology Solution, I said the rating is AAA plus. Okay, now CRISIL, one company, the credit rating company, they have given me a rating of AAA plus. So CRISIL, they will come, they will assess my company and they give me a rating, right? For which they will charge fee, right? The fee is paid by Guna Technology Solution. Right? So GTS is a bond issuer. GTS is a bond issuer. And the bond issuer is asking CRISIL to come and evaluate, for which the fee will be paid by the issuer itself. Right? So I am asking CRISIL to come and evaluate my performance. For that evaluation, I will pay money. So if I am going to pay money, then there will be conflict of interest. Right? Since it follows issuer pay model, there is conflict of interest. Now just imagine, someone is coming and giving me very bad rating. Will I pay him more money? Someone comes and gives me very good rating, then I will pay more money. So this conflict of interest. Right? So issuer pay model is the biggest issue in the rating agencies. Second issue is the rating shopping. Rating shopping means, so let us take this CRISIL, okay. This CRISIL is coming and rating GTS, okay. Now imagine, so the work of CRISIL is to rate the company or bonds, etc. If CRISIL is going to give a rating like CCC minus, then will Guna Technology Solution call CRISIL once again? Definitely no. So since CRISIL want more money, more opportunity from GTS, the CRISIL, they might give a higher rating, A plus. Now Guna will be very happy and every time Guna will call CRISIL. Right? So this conflict of interest, this issuer pay model and this rating shopping, these are the issues with respect to the credit rating agencies. Right? So now SEBI is the regulator, friends. SEBI regulates these rating agencies. Okay, now SEBI came with some guidelines. SEBI said two important points. SEBI said that rating agencies, like how we are giving rating, that is A plus or BBB plus, whatever, like how we are giving some rating, you should also clearly mention the chances of default. That is, okay, so Guna Technology Solution, it comes up with a bond, that bond is 100 crores, right? They are giving a rating of AAA plus. Okay, that is fine. AAA plus means like most probably Guna will repay, but however, is there any chance for default? Maybe 1% also okay. Is there any chance that Guna may not repay? What is the chance? Okay, so SEBI says that the rating agencies, from now onwards, whenever they give rating, along with this rating, they should also say chances of default. Okay, there is a 10% chance of default. So this is like warning given to the investors. GTS, good company only, AAA plus only, but the chance of default is 10%. Why this chance? That has to be explained. Because of these reasons, there is going to be a recession, there is going to be economic slowdown. Because of these reasons, there is a chance of 10% default. This has to be mentioned explicitly. And apart from that, another important guideline given by SEBI is, so different rating agencies, they are following different terminologies. The nomenclature is different. Some say AA plus, some say AA plus, some say BBB minus. Different people, they have different method of giving their rating. So SEBI said that nothing doing, arrive at a common terminology, arrive at a standard terminology in defining this rating. Alright, so these are the new guidelines. Alright, I hope you like the video. I have given a question, you can find out the answer and give your answer in the comment section. Okay, you can download this PDF from the link given in the description box. You can go through the course features which I am going to launch on December 29th. I hope you liked the video. Alright, so tomorrow we will see with another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Thank you.